In this video, we're going to cover the installation process. So the first thing we need to do is to navigate to where we uploaded the script. So you're going to need to type in the URL name of where you uploaded the files to. And if you put it in a subfolder like I did, then you're going to need to add that subfolder name onto the end of it. Everything looks good, so continue to the next step. And this is where you enter your license key. So I like to have that ready in my notepad as well, so I can just copy paste it. Make sure that you don't pick up any blank spaces when you're copying and pasting it, or it won't be able to verify it. Okay, and my database server is localhost, so that's fine. In most cases it will be localhost, but on some web host it might be different, so you'd have to check that on your server. And then we want to get the database name. Paste that there, and again you want to be sure that you don't pick up any blank spaces. Now I used it in both places because I made both of them the same, so yours might be different. Then we come back and get the password. And continue to the next step. And just give the website a name, whatever you're calling your website. I'm just going to put mine at 321. And then you want to put in the email address that you want to use for support. And I've got one ready here that I'm going to put in here. Continue to the next step. Then you have your admin email, and it can be the same as your support email if you want to. This is also going to be your login email address, so make sure you remember what it is or have it saved in Notepad like I did. Put it in here again. And then you want to put in your password. It has to be a minimum of 6 characters, but it can be whatever you want. And now we're going to finish the installation. It says, congratulations, everything went well. And once you hit the admin login, it automatically deletes your install folder. So then you're going to put in the email address that you used for the admin login and your password. So you're going to want to make sure that you have those written down. Like I said, it's best to copy paste them into your notepad so that you have it for reference later. And we're going to log into the admin panel. So this is what the main home page of your admin panel looks like. Now, one thing that you need to do when you first do your installation is you need to make a copy of the template folder so that your template files do not get overwritten when you do updates. So the way I do it is I just go into my FTP program and I go to the templates folder, and you see there's one here already. That's the default one, and I make a new folder and I just call it my template. You can call yours whatever you want, and open up the folder, and then I come over here to this templates folder, go inside here, and I'm just going to select all of these files and transfer them over into the template folder that I just created. And make sure that you transfer them over in binary mode, because things like your images, if you don't do them in binary, they're going to get corrupted. Okay, so now that's done. So now you see we have 2 template files here. So then what you do is you come into your template section and go to Manage Templates. And you see this one here, this is the default one that's active currently. And what we're going to do is we're going to activate the one that I just uploaded. And these are some adjustments you can make, and we're going to cover all that in a separate video. So right now what I want to do is just save my changes. And that's it for the installation video. We'll be covering some other steps like adding content, creating Chrome jobs, etc. in separate videos. But that concludes this one. Thank you.